Hello friends, I'm Kunal Sharma from Pathankot and I'm pursuing my BCA in Benson State University, Gurdaspur. My senior suggested me about ThinkNEXT. When I searched website, I found it really welcoming and good. So I explored it. Then I chose the course ReactJS. So when I joined the course, I found it really helpful and easy because of the explanation I got from our sir, and it was really helpful. So I'll suggest that you should also come in ThinkNEXT Technologies Pvt Limited. According to me, it is very good and one of the best companies which provide us very good knowledge and things what we don't get from outer or our colleges. So I'll prefer ThinkNEXT, which is in Mohali. Thank you.